डू यू अग्री कि लास्ट 7 or 8 years एक वेव आई है कि सडनली वुमेन्स क्रिकेट हैज बिकम बिग.
We won 3 T20 Asia Cups. We won a silver at the Commonwealth Games. We won a gold at the Asian Games.
ये रेवोल्यूशन जो आया इट ऑल्सो गोज टू डू विद अ लॉट ऑफ प्लेयर्स दैट हैव कम इन दिस टाइम. हरमनप्रीत कौर was from the previous batch but she's still at her best. The decorated career that she has, it's like probably the only thing missing.
If you ask me if there was a better time when India could have won the World Cup, it is now, it is now, it is now.
ग्रुप ए में हमारे साथ है ऑस्ट्रेलिया, न्यूजीलैंड, श्रीलंका, पाकिस्तान. मतलब एशिया में हमको छोड़ के जो बाकी की दोनों बेस्ट टीम्स है दोनों वहीं पे.
Chinnaswamy Stadium, it's a fortress. When Smriti Mandana came out, I was told by my producer Ridhima, 1, 2, 3, pause.
तू मिली है?
I also meet a lot of women cricketers whose passion is beyond what they could have contributed to the team. We need the women's cricket team to bring home a trophy so that you could change the face of women's sport and more importantly change the face of women's culture in sport.
हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू बॉल्स एंड बेल्स, जहां पे आप क्रिकेट को सीरियसली लो पर हमारे ओपिनियंस को बिल्कुल नहीं. एक्चुअली आज एक चेंज है. आज हमारे ओपिनियंस को आपको थोड़ा ज़्यादा सीरियसली लेना पड़ेगा बिकॉज मेरे साथ आज जो गेस्ट आई है वो प्रोफेशनली एक स्पोर्ट्स एंकर होस्ट है. तो उनका नॉलेज और उनका जो मतलब इस चीज़ के बारे में प्रेजेंट करने का तरीका है वो ज़्यादा बेटर है. तो सीरियसली ज़रूर लेना. वो मेरी बहुत अच्छी दोस्त है और उससे 100 टाइम्स बेटर होस्ट है. प्लीज वेलकम रिद्धिमा पाठक.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Well, I know you since Marine Engineering College. It's been 17 years. We're finally working together, so that's great. I'm excited about this.
आई नो. और कितने रेयरली ये मौका आता है जहाँ पे तू फर्स्ट जन नहीं है जो कैमरा फेस कर रही है, कोई तुझे इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहा है. सो ये तेरे को एकदम अजीब लग रहा होगा ना.
Tables turn होके थोड़े but मुझे listen, this show is gonna have 2 hosts. There's no guest. There are 2 hosts talking about cricket. This is how it's gonna be.
आई लव इट. एंड जो टॉपिक के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं उसमें आई एम श्योर कि तेरे मेरे पास बोलने को बहुत है, ओपिनियंस बहुत है, बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द राइज ऑफ इंडियन वुमेन्स क्रिकेट एंड how in the last 6-7 years the face of cricket, like women's cricket in general, has changed, and a lot of that credit goes to BCCI and Indian women's cricket जिन लोगों ने अभी suddenly एक strong hold grab कर लिया है. And let's just break that down point by point. And सबसे पहले तो मैं तेरे को बोलना चाहूँगा कि do you agree कि last 7 or 8 years or 6 or 7 years एक wave आई है कि suddenly women's cricket has become big.
100%, without a doubt. And अगर आप बाकी sports से cricket को compare करें, there's a reason why cricket is doing so good in India is because the whole ecosystem is so rewarding. It's a reward-based ecosystem, if you
Correct.
ask me. Grassroots level पे जो काम हुआ, उसकी वजह से there was certain kind of performance that was expected, it was delivered.
Correct.
And now the organization BCCI is giving back in terms of gender pay parity, in terms of WPL that came into place. We won 3 T20 Asian Championship, Asia Cups.
Yes.
We won a silver at the Commonwealth Games. We won a gold at the Asian Games. We've reached the finals of a T20 World Cup once.
Yes.
And hopefully we'll win one this year. So overall, just the leadership that we now have, how every single woman is contributing in the team, the fielding effort, पूरा पैकेज है, इसीलिए उस तरीके का परफॉर्मेंस भी है.
नहीं, आई थिंक बहुत अच्छा तूने पॉइंट बोला कि बीसीसीआई इनिशिएटिव्स तो ले रही है लेकिन उसके साथ साथ अगर रिजल्ट्स नहीं आ रहे होते, बट नाउ कॉन्स्टेंटली यू आर सीइंग द इंडियन वुमेन्स क्रिकेट टीम रीच लाइक आइदर द फाइनल 4 और फाइनल्स. एंड वो बस एक जो लास्ट पड़ाव रह गया है, आई एम होपिंग कि 2024 वर्ल्ड कप जो अभी आने वाला है इन लाइक जस्ट अ फ्यू डेज, वहां पे मेरे को लगता है वो कसर भी पूरी कर देंगे. द टीम इज लुकिंग रियली गुड.
It is. Is that a question? Or is that a statement?
It's a rhetoric statement because I think मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा hopes हैं and I just feel like मेरे हिसाब से ये revolution जो आया it also goes to do with a lot of players that have come in this time. Like कुछ players ऐसे आए हैं, उनमें मतलब कुछ लोगों के बारे में बात करेंगे, whether it's Smriti Mandhana, whether it is Jemimah Rodriguez, Shafali Verma, your Deepti Sharma, Harmanpreet Kaur was from the previous batch, but she's still at her best. And Renuka Singh Thakur. So these are all these youngsters ही बोलेंगे उनको अभी भी. But in last 6-7 years, they have come and changed the culture of the team. And
Yeah, but also, yes, you have to understand that, the culture doesn't change in one go. That we've seen that in Men's Cricket World Cup as well. It
Correct.
was what the former players could do that the current crop could deliver. So you have to consider what Mithali Raj contributed to the team. You have
100%.
to consider what Jhulan Goswami did. You have to consider what Anjum Chopra could do. And fortunately, when I do women's cricket, I also meet a lot of women cricketers whose passion is beyond what they could have contributed to the team, because that passion continues even beyond the boundary line. I
Yeah,
work very closely with someone called as Reema Malhotra. I work very closely with, their friends, Sushma Verma, our India wicketkeeper. The passion, the dedication they have towards women's cricket is unbelievable, because that level of reward system is still not there, if you ask me, for other cricketers. But that delivery towards the cricket is what is the result of what we see today. Abhi dekho, our captain is Harmanpreet Kaur, our deputy is Smriti Manna. Interestingly, both of them have won the WPL.
correct.
Right? So you're saying that जो हमारी कमान है वो इन दोनों के हाथों में है. So if you ask me if there was a better time when India could have won the World Cup, it is now, it is now, it is now.
Correct.
Because the two leaders have done it in franchise cricket. And talking about, how everybody else is coming out to support, you have to give it to the franchises also, just the way they've come out and supported WPL, whether it's Gujarat team or a Mumbai team or an RCB, even the fans who come into the stadium to come out and support women's cricket is unbelievable.
100%.
I could have used another word, but this is a clean podcast. But
It's not. You can.
no,
You can.
I have a career. So yeah, so it's so the twinkle in our eyes just talking about women's cricket also kind of says a lot about what we're looking forward to in 2024. Personally, मैंने 2020 वाला World Cup host किया था. T20
I
World
remember
Cup.
you were in the stadium.
I was in the stadium and I was also the in-venue host of the stadium. So the 85,000 plus people who had come in order to attend the Women's World Cup in Australia at the MCG, we were hosting that. I kid you not, first of all, as a record went that time, it was the largest audience that came in support of women's sport, forget about cricket.
Phenomenal.
Right, at the MCG. We had performances, and it was really heartbreaking for India that we lost to Australia by 85 runs. It was a huge margin.
It was less about that we lost, it was how we lost.
How we lost.
The occasion got to us.
But having said that, if you remove that match, how India performed in that World Cup and how India continued to perform after that is the story that we are banking on as we get into the 2024 World
Correct.
Cup. Right? And you spoke about some players right there. You spoke about Harman, you spoke about Smriti, but beyond that, you also have a senior player in there, Jemmy. It's funny how Jemmy now has become a senior player.
Whereas she's just 24 years old.
She's just 24 years old, but we count her now as a senior player because you have to for the number of experience she's had in various championships. So great times for
नहीं,
her.
I think यहाँ पे ना it's a very good point to bridge जो तूने previously बोला that this kind of culture can't come overnight.
It can't.
तो ये जो आया है ना, whether you call it, ठीक है, we may not have cracked like a big tournament on the ICC tournament वाला map yet, but continuously winning the Asia Cup also, ठीक है, इस बार miss out हो गया, again we were in the finals, but that consistency and that winning culture has started to come. And तूने बोला, I had a very interesting thought, तूने बोला कि the two people who
Yeah.
are the leadership group right now,
Both of them
ठीक है,
are on the two editions of WPL.
it's Harmanpreet Kaur and
Smriti.
Smriti Mandhana. First season Harmanpreet Kaur जीती with Mumbai Indians. Second season Smriti Mandhana जीती with RCB. And more than that, jersey number 7
Yeah.
and jersey number 18.
Yeah.
And parallelly, the two most iconic captains in recent time, jersey number 7 there, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, and jersey number 18, which is Virat Kohli. I just feel like the kind of fandom that women's cricket never got. मतलब women's cricket को क्या मिल रहा था मालूम है? फ्री है, टीवी पे कुछ नहीं आ रहा है तो देखो. अभी वैसा नहीं है. अब लोग काम वाम छोड़कर they are making plans to watch it together. Like I make sure I don't take meetings when those matches are on. And क्या हुआ है, इसका क्रेडिट हमको we have to give to those athletes, क्योंकि पहले बहुत सारी कंप्लेंट्स ये थी कि women's cricket बहुत स्लो है, इसमें ज़्यादा एक्शन नहीं है, डॉट बॉल्स बहुत होते हैं. तुम लास्ट 6-7 साल का वुमेन्स क्रिकेट देखो, बाप रे,
तुम इस बार का WPL देख लो.
पावर पैक, मतलब लास्ट 3 ओवर में 40-40 50-50 रन मार रहे हैं यार वो लोग, कुछ भी चेज हो रहा
लास्ट
है,
बॉल में छक्का
छक्का मार रहे
और
हैं,
गेम चेंज.
सजना सजीवन ने
Yeah.
क्या 6 मारा, मतलब सो द नर्व हैंडलिंग, द अंडर प्रेशर एंड यू नो रोल डेफिनेशन, ये फिनिशर है, ये यू नो दिस इज अ पर्सन हु इज गोइंग टू कंसोलिडेट, वो जो हो गया है ना, दैट काइंड ऑफ प्रोफेशनलिज्म, द फील्डिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स, ये सब इन एथलीट्स ने किया है. तो ये जो भी लाइमलाइट उनको अब मिल रही है, ये उनकी खुद की कमाई हुई है.
Yeah, yeah.
सो आई वाज
And
जस्ट
support staff.
100%,
And support staff.
everybody. And I just wanted to say that MS धोनी की 7 नंबर जर्सी रिटायर कर दी गई है. Nobody will ever wear 7 again. I'm 100% sure the day Virat Kohli retires, 18 नंबर जर्सी will be retired. I want Harmanpreet Kaur and Smriti Mandhana. Harmanpreet Kaur should play at least 5 years more. Smriti Mandhana at least 10 years more. But whenever they do retire, they've already done more than enough कि वो ही 2 नंबर women's cricket में भी retire the jersey.
Yeah.
They are phenomenal.
Yeah.
And they deserve this cup.
They do. They definitely do. We spoke about fandom. So, Chinnaswamy Stadium is like, it's a fortress,
Correct.
right? So, when a Virat Kohli comes in, there is a certain kind of deafening noise that happens that cameras and commentators are asked to keep quiet. Let the noise come. I kid you not. When Smriti Mandhana came out for the toss in the first match of WPL in the second season, the first RCB match in the second season, as she walked in, I was told by my producer, Ridhima, 1, 2, 3, pause. Because that was the kind of noise you could feel in that stadium. And I was so proud that it not only came for a male cricketer, but it also came for a Smriti Mandhana, who very well deserved every single bit of it. And also because she delivered.
100%.
Also
And-
because she delivered.
And तेरे को तेरे producer ने बोला 1, 2, 3 stop.
Yeah.
My heart said that to me when she walked out. 1, 2, 3 pause. Yash, do not talk, do not move. And she's such a graceful batter.
Yeah.
She's like poetry in motion. I think I have followed Indian women's cricket for a good amount of time. Like I can say at least 18, 20 years. Very few people can say that. Like मैं early 2000 से देख रहा था. I've seen the whole Mithali Raj, Julan Goswami era. I know all these players by names. So I don't think I have seen this elegant a left-handed batter in Indian lineup ever. And this has got nothing to do with my personal bias towards her.
It's coming out. You can't hide it. Cameras don't lie.
She's so elegant.
She is.
Like her hitting also na is not brutal. It's like वो चाशनी में हाथ डुबा के थप्पड़ मारती है. You know, लगेगा भी पर sweet लगेगा.
Yeah.
So the sixes also that she hits, there is no like raw power.
Yeah.
There is technique
There's
and
technique.
timing, and it's beautiful. She reminds me a lot of Saurav Ganguly
Yeah.
when she plays on her offside.
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe she has modeled her technique towards playing like that, but beautiful.
Yeah. Also because she comes just because of the reasons that you mentioned, and also the current form that she is in. Also the fact that she as a leader has won a trophy with in WPL, coming into the World Cup right now. And remember, it's happening in UAE, no longer in Bangladesh.
Correct.
We have 2 venues. We have Dubai and we've got Sharjah. We are playing a very interesting group in Group A, where you've got Australia, you've got New Zealand, you've got
हो गया मेरे को.
stress. मतलब सुन के stress हो रहा है, right? You
सोचना,
also have Pakistan.
एशिया
But the thing is that 3 of those matches are happening in Dubai. 1 match happens in Sharjah, which is against Australia.
Correct.
Smriti's average in Dubai is good. So we'll go ahead with that.
हाँ, मैं तो बोलता हूँ क्यों रखा हमारा एक मैच शारजा में.
वो भी ऑस्ट्रेलिया के साथ.
वो भी ऑस्ट्रेलिया के
But
साथ.
if you ask me, for this World Cup, the motto is shorter boundaries, bigger shots.
I think so too. Also,
Bigger shots.
Also, I think more so, all our bowlers na really need to be prepared with their technique and their plans for slog overs. Like एंड में क्या डालने वाले हो, क्योंकि दैट इज व्हाट इज गोइंग टू डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन टीम्स दैट आर गोइंग टू विन द टूर्नामेंट या फिर जो क्वालिफाई होगी फॉर नॉकआउट स्टेज. क्योंकि क्या है मालूम है, अब हर टीम के पास पावर गेम है. ये हम लोग 5 साल पहले वाला बात नहीं कर रहे हैं जहाँ पे कोई टीम्स में हिटर्स नहीं है. एवरी टीम हैज दैट मिडल ऑर्डर वेयर देर आर सच पावरफुल प्लेयर्स जो बॉल 1 से तेरे मतलब तू मांगे डिमांड पे 6 मार सकते हैं.
Yeah.
How do you get them? Your fast bowlers need to get their Yorkers bang on, even a low full toss. Abhi women's cricket is exactly in parity with men's cricket when it comes to power game. And ये मैं बोल सकता हूँ क्योंकि मैं देखता हूँ, मैंने पूरा WPL देखा है दोनों सीजन. क्या लो फुल टॉसेस को कहाँ मार रहे हैं भाई. मतलब सीधा क्राउड में मारते हैं, बाउंड्री नहीं पार करते, एंड आई फील सो प्राउड. मतलब अब जो लोग बोलते थे ना कि स्लो है, तुम देखो भाई क्या मार रहे हैं. 40-40 बॉल में 90 रन मार रहे हैं, 100s मार रहे हैं T20 में.
Yeah.
So women's cricket is now crazy. It's an adrenaline rush.
तूने पावर हिटर्स की बात की, मैं एक और एंगल देती हूँ. सी द रीजन व्हाई ऑस्ट्रेलियन वुमेन्स टीम डज सो वेल इज बिकॉज जब आप उनका लिस्ट बनाने जाओगे और आप 3 कॉलम बनाओगे, बैटर, बॉलर, ऑलराउंडर, तो सबके सब ऑलराउंडर में ही फिट हो जाते हैं.
Correct.
आज मैं बैठकर यहाँ पे आने से पहले मैं देख रही थी बैटर्स, बॉलर्स, ऑलराउंडर्स. इंटरेस्टिंगली इंडियन टीम भी अगर आप देखें अभी, तो ऑलराउंडर्स हमारे पास ऊपर से लेके नीचे तक है.
Correct.
And that becomes a very key factor in women's game when you go ahead to play teams like Australia, play teams like New Zealand, play teams like, England. The fact that we have so many all-rounders. In fact, Shefali Verma is actually a batter who can bowl too,
I know.
right? So there is just the list of all-rounders that we have is also that something that we should take a lot of pride in, which, by the way, men's cricket has not been able to do.
Correct. क्योंकि हम लोग लास्ट 6-7 years में जो ICC ट्रॉफी हमारे पास नहीं आई थी, ठीक है, द बिगेस्ट रीजन दैट वाज बीइंग सेड फॉर दैट वाज कि इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम, मेंस क्रिकेट टीम, डिड नॉट हैव a batter who could bowl in the top 5, top 6.
Correct.
And that was hurting us क्योंकि उसके पिछले era में there was a Sehwag, there was a Sachin Tendulkar, there was a Saurav Ganguly, there was a Suresh Raina, there was a Yuvraj Singh.
Yeah.
All of them on their day could even bowl 10 overs.
Correct.
ठीक है, अब हमारे पास ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट हमारा सडनली द डिपेंडेंस ऑन अ हार्दिक पांड्या और अ रविंद्र जडेजा was so much that गलती से अगर वो लोग इंजर्ड हो गए तो उस क्वालिटी का रिप्लेसमेंट ही नहीं है हमारे पास. बट वुमेन्स क्रिकेट में वो नहीं है. इनफैक्ट हरमनप्रीत कौर नाउ शी इज रिड्यूस्ड बिकॉज देयर आर सो मेनी ऑलराउंडर्स इन द टीम. शी यूज्ड टू रेगुलरली बोल लाइक 2-3 overs every match. शफाली वर्मा तूने बोला अंडर 19 वर्ल्ड कप में शी यूज्ड टू बोल रेगुलरली.
Yeah.
I think the only person, like only people in our mainstay team who do not bowl regularly is Jemima and Smriti, and I'm okay if they don't
Yeah,
bowl
okay
because
with
I've seen them bowl.
Yeah.
They shouldn't. They'll bat and make runs. It's okay.
Yeah.
But most of them, even Sajna Sajivan is an all-rounder. Even Hemlata is an all-rounder. Pooja Vastrkar to is a fantastic all-rounder.
Right.
Asha Shobna is an all-rounder.
Deepti Sharma.
दीप्ति शर्मा इज तो वन ऑफ द मेन ऑलराउंडर्स वी हैव. एंड ऋचा घोष को भी ऑलराउंडर ही बोलेंगे क्योंकि विकेट कीपर बैटर हु कैन चेंज द मैच ऑन हर ओन. तो क्या लाइनअप है बॉस, क्या लाइनअप है. तो ये जो तू ऑलराउंडर वाला बोल रही है ना, ये कल्चर आया है. आई एम सो हैप्पी. और उससे पहले हमारे पास वो कल्चर दोनों जगह पे क्यों नहीं था मालूम है? ऑस्ट्रेलिया के पास क्यों था, हमारे पास क्यों नहीं था? उसमें गलती हमारे बिल्डिंग के कल्चर की है. क्योंकि जो पहला बैटिंग करता है उसको बॉलिंग नहीं मिलता है, और जो बॉलिंग में 2 ओवर डालता है उसको बैटिंग नहीं मिलता है. कैसे बनेंगे ऑलराउंडर्स? कौन लाएगा ऑलराउंडर्स? ये जो बिल्डिंग के रूल्स है उसने ऑलराउंडर का पूरा सेक्शन ही बर्बाद कर दिया हमारा.
नहीं, लेकिन अब आ रहे हैं. एंड आई थिंक दैट विल बी वन ऑफ अ बिगेस्ट वेपन्स एंड बिगेस्ट स्ट्रेंथ्स गेटिंग इनटू दिस वर्ल्ड कप. तो तेरी फोकस्ड प्लेयर्स कौन होंगे? हु आर योर प्लेयर्स टू वॉच आउट फॉर?
यू नो, मेरे को लगा था कि ऐसा अगर हम कुछ डिस्कस करेंगे तो मैंने थोड़ा दिमाग में सोचा था कि की प्लेयर्स क्या मैं नेम करूंगा. सी सम ऑब्वियस प्लेयर्स वी कैन नेम, बट मुझे सडनली क्या रियलाइज हुआ मालूम है? बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो थॉट ऑफ लाइक अ रफ 11 इन माई हेड. मेरे को रियलाइज हुआ दैट आई couldn't easily pick की प्लेयर्स. एंड एज सुन एज आई स्टार्टेड फीलिंग सैड अबाउट इट, नेक्स्ट मोमेंट मुझे खुशी हुई क्योंकि इतने अच्छे हैं कि मैं पिक नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. जब ऐसा होता है ना कि तेरे 2-3 प्लेयर्स ही अच्छे हैं जिन पे ओवर डिपेंडेंस है, तो तुम इजीली बोल देते हो ये मेन है. यहाँ पे मेरे को सडनली लगने लग गया, कैन वी फंक्शन विदाउट अ रेणुका सिंह ठाकुर, हर अर्ली ब्रेक थ्रूज? नो. ठीक है, स्मृति मंदाना, जेमिमा रॉड्रिगेज
कैन स्विंग द बॉल
100% and in any conditions.
Correct.
Okay, her wrist position is fantastic. Okay, then Smriti Mandhana, Harmanpreet Kaur, Jemima Rodriguez. How do you pick? You want them all. Shefali Verma, she can change the game alone on her day. Richa Ghosh, सबसे hardest 6 hitter in women's cricket according to me right now.
And if you ask me, she's the X factor of the team.
100%. And then उसके बाद हाउ डू यू इग्नोर पूजा वस्त्रकर? वो बॉल से भी मैच जिता सकती है, वो बैट से भी मैच जिता सकती है. दीप्ति शर्मा, शी इज अ क्लच प्लेयर. शी इज लाइक सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक अ रविंद्र जडेजा इन द मेंस टीम.
लेकिन तू 15 लेके जाएगा नहीं ना मुझे.
मैं वही बोल
मुझे
रहा हूं
पता
कि तू मुझे
which
बोल
is
रही
the
थी.
what is the battle between? Is it who कौन से वो दो प्लेयर्स हैं जिनके बीच में वो बैटल है? इज इट अ श्रियंका पाटिल वर्सेस an आशा शोभना? हु
देख,
दो
11
प्लेयर्स जिनके बीच में बैटल है?
11 अपन चूज करेंगे. आई थिंक यू एंड आई शुड पिक आवर स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट 11
No,
later.
no, I can't because the problems are plenty. So I'm going to give this headache to the to the people who matter. But I'm just saying that if we had to put up a pedestal for players where you could make a choice, ye, who goes up? And
I
which would be those two players? Or
I think
three
key players तूने पूछा ना. If I had to take a bet on just two players out of our team, who I think if they have a good tournament, we win the tournament. I would say Smriti Mandhana and Richa Ghosh.
अरे ये तो टीम में रहेंगे यार.
ये तो रहेंगे.
हाँ.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि तूने बोला ना दो की प्लेयर्स चूज कर. इफ दे हैव अ गुड टूर्नामेंट वील विन द टूर्नामेंट. बिकॉज क्या है ना, स्मृति मंदाना, इफ यू सी हर पैटर्न थ्रू आउट हर करियर, शी इज अ रिदम प्लेयर. ठीक है, अगर वो एक 50 मारती है तो उस टूर्नामेंट में और 2-3 50 मारती है, एक 100 मारती है. राइट नाउ बिगेस्ट एग्जाम्पल इज द सीरीज अगेंस्ट साउथ अफ्रीका.
Yeah.
बिग 100 फॉलोड बाय अनदर 100 फॉलोड बाय अनदर 90. मतलब टाइम था, वो एक और 100 मार सकती
Phenomenal
थी.
form.
So she's not a person whose hunger goes away very easily.
Yeah.
उसको और runs मारना, she loves batting and it is very important कि पहले एक दो मैच में स्मृति मंदाना scores big.
Yeah.
Because if she scores big, she will punish every attack.
Correct.
Then we don't need to worry. And उसको वो सब नहीं होगा कि knockout में नहीं होगा. She will play the same way. And the people she has behind her ना, ये भी एक चीज़ है जो कल्चर सालों में बिल्डअप किया गया है. पहले कैसा था, उसको ऐसा लगता होगा अगर मैं जल्दी आउट हो गई ना, सो माई विकेट आई हैव नॉट पुट अ प्राइस ऑन इट, अब मैच हाथ से चला जाएगा. अब वैसा नहीं है. वी हैव अ लाइनअप ऑफ मैच विनर्स हु कैन ऑल रेज देयर हैंड, डू इट ऑन देयर ओन. सो डर नहीं लगता है. एवरीबडी इज गोइंग टू प्ले विदाउट फियर एंड दिस फियरलेस क्रिकेट इज व्हाट T20 cricket is about.
Also, I'll tell you a couple of things which is like key points when you go to play championships or world tournaments. Number one, the playing 11 or the playing 15 that we go ahead with, the 15 member squad we go ahead with, उसमें ज़्यादा changes नहीं किए गए हों over
Correct.
the. So अगर आप एशिया कप से देखें, there's been one change. Yastika Bhatia comes in
Correct.
instead of Uma Chhetri. Sorry, I got excited. That's it. That's the only change that we're making. So good. They've played together. So that's a very, अगर आप winning combinations देखें तो usually there are least number of changes that are done in it.
True.
That's one thing. Number two, our key players are in phenomenal form. They're not in an okay form. They're in great form.
100%.
And one key player, if you ask me, it has to be our all-rounder Deepti Sharma. And Deepti Sharma is one player who has in recent times and over again performed in major championships. She's a big match player.
Correct.
So Deepti Sharma becomes a very, very key player coming into this T20 World Cup. Smriti Mandhana, like you mentioned about the South Africa series, great form. Also coming from the WPL, has that habit of winning. Her confidence is an all-time high. But if for me, as an audience who gives me a lot of confidence when there is a certain player on the field, it has to be our captain. Also because our captain has a lot to prove getting into this World Cup. From just her own career standpoint, India has made it to the finals once in 2020. We couldn't win the World Cup. The thing is, if not just cricket, if women's sport needed a trophy as bad as it could, because just the way women's game has been promoted in this country, it has to be now.
100%.
It would change the face of women's sport, not just cricket. Because you've had a Manu Bhaker who's won us 2 medals at the Olympics. You also have a PV Sindhu who has delivered in the recent times at the Olympics and in championships. You have a Mirabai Chanu who's lifted a silver. We need the women's cricket team to bring home a trophy so that you could change the face of women's sport, and more importantly, change the face of women's culture in sport. You know how much would it impact? Abhi jaise Manu Bhaker won 2 medals. So many parents started sending their children, their girls
For shooting camps. Correct.
Neeraj Chopra won in javelin. So many parents चलो javelin के sport में डालते हैं. हमारे पास options हो गए हैं अब javelin में कि हमारा ये player perform कर रहा है. ऐसा हमको क्रिकेट में चाहिए.
Because
और ये तभी होगा जब आप उस स्टेज पर उस तरीके की ट्रॉफी वापस घर लाएं. बिकॉज लेट्स फेस इट, इंडिया लाइक्स द मेडल.
correct.
इंडियन ऑडियंस वैल्यूज द मेडल. और इससे बढ़िया टाइम नहीं हो सकता. एंड हरमनप्रीत कौर जब तक वो रहती है फील्ड पर, वीव सीन हर चेंज द फेस ऑफ द गेम अगेंस्ट ऑस्ट्रेलिया. वो जो इनिंग्स के बारे में बात कर रहे थे इस पॉडकास्ट में आने से पहले, 171
171 115 balls.
Yeah.
And बेस्ट पार्ट इज कि वो 2017 वर्ल्ड कप का सेमीफाइनल था. You're in a semi-final. You're playing against that invincible Australian team. So much at stake. And top order में, खलबली मची. She comes to bat. She scores 171 on her own, which had some 5-6 sixes and some 24s. मतलब boundaries में कितने runs बनाए. And that year also the same thing happened. After beating Australia in semi-finals, then everybody thinks that you're going to take the trophy. And 2017 के final में हम लोग इंग्लैंड से हार गए. So Harmanpreet Kaur, the decorated career that she has, it's like probably the only thing missing in it, because 2 times near misses हो गए. क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप में फाइनल होके मिस हो गया, एंड T20 वर्ल्ड कप में MCG में नियर मिस हो गया,
CWG में गोल्ड मिस हो गया,
CWG में भी गोल्ड मिस हो गया, तो 2 बार सिल्वर, 3 बार सिल्वर हो गया. सो आई थिंक शी ऑल्सो वॉन्ट्स टू गो दैट एक्स्ट्रा माइल. आई थिंक इफ यू सी, like, because I'm a writer, I see a story here, okay? A story that is very similar to what happened to Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma in the 2024 World Cup. It's like last attempt hai, sab laga do, khoon pasina
it
ek
will
kar
be a
do.
storied finish.
Exactly. And I think she deserves it. And even now I'm not saying that she needs to retire, because see, the kind of fitness and the mental fortitude that is needed in women's cricket, she still has it. So I'm not saying that, but I think this story deserves that end. And she should get that trophy, which she's just about, touched but couldn't grab it. And I think this time she should get it. मेरे को एक बात बता
I am pretty sure कि इस साल वो होगा, क्योंकि ये कौर का दौर है.
अरे क्या बात.
और इस दौर का अंत कुछ इस तरीके से ही होगा. वैसे
कौर का दौर, that's here to stay.
Yeah. So yeah.
मैं तुझे ये पूछने वाला था कि डू यू थिंक ये जो वुमेन्स क्रिकेट को इतना ज़्यादा आई वुड से लाइमलाइट अब मिलने लग गई है, एंड एज वी सेड कि अभी दे हैव बिलीव इन देम, लाइक पीपल हैव स्टार्टेड टू बिलीव इन वुमेन्स क्रिकेट एंड आवर टीम, एंड वो बिलीव से वर्शिप पे जाने का जो थोड़ा सा फासला है ना, वो एक ट्रॉफी चेंज कर सकती है. But do you think this has also happened because of the consistency of our team? Just to name a few things, 2017 में जैसा अपन ने बोला वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल में थे, 2020 में फाइनल में थे, उसके पहले के दोनों टूर्नामेंट्स में सेमीफाइनल्स में थे, बाद में वाली टूर्नामेंट में सेमीफाइनल्स में थे, ऑल ICC टूर्नामेंट्स. एंड मोर देन दैट, रिसेंटली जब ऑस्ट्रेलिया हमारे घर आई, हमने उनको टेस्ट मैच हराया. इंग्लैंड हमारे घर आई, उनको टेस्ट मैच हराया. And in the year where Australia was going to go unbeaten in T20 cricket throughout the year, only one team beat them, even though it went into a super over. India. One loss in the whole year, India took that off them. I'm not saying that एक मैच जीत के हम लोगों को खुश हो जाना चाहिए, but ये रिजल्ट है, ये जो कल्चर हमने बनाया है ना इतने साल, कंसिस्टेंसी, विनिंग इज अ कल्चर. सो तुझे लगता है कि ये उसी का रिजल्ट है कि नाउ पीपल आर कमिंग इनटू द स्टेडियम्स?
100%. People love to see their team win.
Correct.
100%. Also, to add to the accolade, we are ranked 3 in ICC ranking right now.
Correct.
Both in T20 and ODI. Where do you start in the last 5 years, man? Harmanpreet's captaincy, the addition of Jemimah Rodrigues in the team. Because let me tell you, Jemmy, not just what she can deliver in the middle order for Team India, but the culture that she brings in the dressing room.
तू मिली है?
हाँ, थोड़ी.
अरे यार, तू बोल सकती है, कम ऑन यार रिड्स, तू जेमी को मिली है ना?
मैं WPL होस्ट किया, मैंने T20.
I know. So like, how is she? Like, tell us. Like, she looks like a person. Like, what she gives me, like very Shikhar Dhawan kind of vibes. Like
Shikhar Dhawan?
Arey, like she cracks jokes. She will keep the atmosphere in the dressing room always light. तू कभी भी देखेगी, she'll be playing a song on the guitar, making a reel.
Actually, beyond that, if I, from what I have seen and interacted with Jimmy, I think she has a very high EQ.
Okay.
She has a very high
That's fantastic.
EQ. Yeah. So even when she comes to give her interviews, if you see the way she talks, she's not just talking about the technique or what happened in the situation. She's also talking about the emotions that went through in those 22 yards while playing for that kind of time, and how the other batter on the opposite end was reacting and what was the bowler like. She brings forward the emotions. That is one aspect. Number 2 is that she really understands the emotional strength the team needs when it faces a certain opponent like in Australia, or if it's facing a Pakistan, or if it's facing a New Zealand. She understands that and she brings that on the table. She brings that in the dressing room. And now we've started recently talking about the mental aspect of the game, not just in cricket but in other sports also. And that's the reason why we today are getting that as a big talking point, apart from, of course, our middle orders and our batters and our bowlers. But this becomes a very big point. It's actually just a mental game, those 22 yards. It's nothing more, because prepare to har koi karke aa raha hai. But in that pressure situation, how are you handling that? That culture Jemmy also brings in. Of course, your leaders are getting in and your support staff is doing that very well. But Jemmy is one person who makes it lighter. And as far as I've seen, the element that she brings in, a certain player, a certain cricketer is not having the best of time, she sits with that person, she talks to that person, brings that human element out. And I think that's the reason why she becomes a very important player, not just in the playing field but also beyond it.
I just love that तूने हमको वो insight provide किया about Jamie, because she seems like such an adorable character, like, and मुझे ऐसा ही वाइब आता है उससे कि शी इज लाइक द ग्लू ऑफ द टीम.
Yeah.
ठीक है, अगर कोई नया प्लेयर टीम में आए तो अभी क्या है, टाइम लगता है ना आइस ब्रेक होने में, बट तुम्हारे टीम के लिए सबसे अच्छा क्या है कि एवरीबडी फील्स अ पार्ट ऑफ द टीम एज सून एज पॉसिबल. आई फील लाइक जेमी माइट बी दैट पर्सन जो उनसे जाके सबसे पहले बात करेगी, उनको कंफर्टेबल करेगी एंड दूसरों को बोलेगी कि ए उसका ध्यान रखो. एंड शी इज जस्ट अ 24-year-old, लाइक दैट इज अडोरेबल, बट व्हाट मैच्योरिटी.
Also a phenomenal presenter. We're so happy that she plays cricket. वरना हम सबकी छुट्टी हो जाती है. Literally.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
telling you, she's a fantastic anchor.
The show that she and Smriti Mandhana did during
Yeah.
COVID was so
Yeah.
cool. So I just feel like cricket is in good hands. Women's cricket is in good hands. And वो जो हम बात कर रहे थे ना कि मेडल्स और ट्रॉफीज कितना मैटर करता है, मुझे ये भी अच्छा लग रहा है कि हमारा फ्यूचर भी सिक्योर है. बिकॉज द फर्स्ट एडिशन ऑफ अंडर-19 वुमेन्स क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप हम लोग जीते. इंडिया वन इट. और जैसे ट्रॉफी दिखती है ना इंडियन पेरेंट्स को, तो ऐसा लगता है भाई ये तो प्रोफेशन में पैसा भी है, ग्लैमर भी है, फेम भी है, फटाफट अपनी बेटियों को एनरोल करने लगेंगे. एंड थैंक यू टू शेफाली वर्मा, ऋचा घोष एंड द होल अंडर-19 वुमेन्स क्रिकेट टीम. एंड इमेजिन 2-3 साल तक सीनियर्स के साथ खेलने के बाद तुम फिर भी 19 साल के हो,
Yeah.
तुम जाके अंडर-19 खेलते हो और आके 2-3 महीने बाद वर्ल्ड कप खेलते हो. 1 महीने बाद, आई थिंक द वर्ल्ड कप वाज राइट आफ्टर इट. So it was such a surreal feeling during the interview when Shefali Verma started to cry. My heart was so full. I was so overwhelmed. I was in tears. तो उसको क्या ही लग रहा होगा. And then उसको ये बोला कि now in a few upcoming days you have to go and play the World Cup with the seniors. So like let's hope that we can do it with the seniors also. Like she's so honest. All of them are so pure-hearted. Like they are athletes who do the rough and tough job, but other than that they're so humble and their heart is in the right place. And I love that about the women's team.
Yeah, everyone should love that about women in blue, because not just what kind of pro athletes they are on the field. If you see them and meet them off it, they're genuinely good human beings. They're genuinely good human beings. I've met a lot of athletes. Our women's team know how to conduct themselves in public. They know how to give a good interview. Shefali Verma, you spoke about. You should see the swag she carries in every interview when she comes out
Nice.
to speak about herself, to speak about the way she batted. She will say things that will give you, teasers. No, she'll give you teasers for a good show. छक्के उड़ा दी मैंने आज. So she gives you teasers. So yeah, Shefali Verma, and also the fact that under her leadership we won the under-19 World Cup, and what she could do in WPL. It's good to see that at such a young age, some of our key players also have developed very good leadership skills, and all thanks to, of course, franchise cricket coming in and what we could do in under-19, which also, you spoke about the future of Indian cricket. They are so young. They're already in the team. They have gotten so much experience on the big stage. They're already playing franchise cricket, not just in India, but across the world. And they're developing leadership qualities. 100% the future's in good hands.
And absolutely, and that consistency is also so important, because जो 2020 का हार्ट ब्रेक की हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं,
Yeah.
जहाँ पे तू खुद थी वहाँ पे, okay, Shefali Verma was in the team.
Yeah.
Jemima was in the team. These were all 15, 17-year-olds then. 18, 19-year-olds. So basically, they've gone through that hardship also, where it is very fair to say that the way the team was playing in that tournament, they were clinical, they were ruthless. But in the final, when 85,000 people came into the stadium plus more, I think the occasion got to them, but now that will never happen again. So that is
No, it was
also so important.
No, it was also the team. Australia played phenomenal cricket that day.
100%. But I don't think India would have gone down like that without a fight.
Yeah.
It became like a one-sided game, which shouldn't have happened.
Yeah.
So I know right now this team has learned so much from those experiences. And even in IPL, as you said, these are leaders. Okay, even with a Meg Lanning, when Shefali Verma is opening with a Meg Lanning, it's like देखो कितना सीखने मिल रहा है.
Yeah.
As a leader, as a batter, and Smriti Mandhana and Harmanpreet Kaur are captaining people who are legendary cricketers of their countries
of their own
already.
countries, correct?
You know, Smriti Mandhana is captaining an Ellis Perry, yaar. So, which is also one of my favorite cricketers. But this is what we need to understand. Everyone's favorite. This is what we need to understand कि अभी ये team है ना, correct amount of experience and power, enthusiasm का मिक्सचर है.
अच्छा, लेकिन ये तो सारी पॉजिटिव बातें होगी ना. हमारी ऑडियंस को थोड़ी ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि भाई हमारे पास सब कुछ, हमको वर्ल्ड कप जीत के ही आना चाहिए. टेल मी समथिंग जहाँ पर कुड बी आवर वीकनेस. पिचेस, टॉक अबाउट दैट.
आई थिंक एक ही वीकनेस जो मेरे को लगता है इंडियन वुमेन्स टीम का, व्हेन देयर आर स्लोअर पिचेस वेयर द बॉल डजंट कम ऑन टू द बैट, वी स्ट्रगल. बिकॉज प्रॉब्लम ये हो जाता है, हमारा जो टॉप ऑर्डर है ना, they are all very flamboyant batters hitting on the up, including Smriti Mandhana, including Shefali Verma, including Jemima Rodriguez. So इसमें a person like Harmanpreet Kaur becomes key. जिसने घाट का पानी पिया हुआ है, ऐसे टूर्नामेंट्स, ऐसे पिचेस पे बहुत ज़्यादा खेला हुआ है. Because then you can't, the ball is not coming onto the bat ना. That is when हमारी बैटिंग थोड़ी स्ट्रगल करती है. We ourselves have the bowling attack to kill on those pitches, but you have to outscore the opponent one way or the other. मेरे को बस वो टाइम पे हमारी टीम का थोड़ा टेंशन होता है. So if you had to tell me to name a negative aspect, that's the one. Like on slow pitches we struggle. When it's a batting paradise, oh my god, we can outscore any team. Correct. Even in Australia.
Also one thing, the group that we are in is not easy. The group that we are in.
तू वो बोल के मेरे को स्ट्रेस दे देती है. But तू बता ना, तेरे हिसाब से if you had to pick one negative trait in the current Indian women's blues, what would it be?
I'm not sure how good our bowling lineup can be on those pitches. Okay. I think we have great batting depth. We have a lot of all-rounders. But if you see a proper bowler, there's just one, Renuka Singh Thakur. That'll be interesting how we perform.
Also, how we are talking about कि हमारा बैटिंग अभी 6-7 साल से सिमिलर है.
Yeah.
You know, so all of them are experienced. But our bowling lineup is relatively very newish. Like Radha Yadav wasn't in the team for a long time. She's made a comeback. She's been phenomenal. Shriyanka Patil is that youngster now.
Also,
who's just come.
Yeah.
So, है थोड़ा सा.
और injury concerns भी है ना.
Injury concerns भी है. Because Shriyanka Patil is not fit. Yastika Bhatia
is coming off a surgery. So वो दो चीजें हैं. But yeah. चलिए प्लेइंग 11 बताएं आप.
पहले तो
ठाकुर साहब,
पहले तो ये जानने का जो तू 2 बार बोल चुकी है और उसके ऊपर हम अमल करेंगे. व्हाट अ ग्रुप टू गेट. ग्रुप ए में हमारे साथ है ऑस्ट्रेलिया, न्यूजीलैंड, श्रीलंका, पाकिस्तान. मतलब एशिया में हमको छोड़ के जो बाकी की दोनों बेस्ट टीम्स है, दोनों वहीं पे. श्रीलंका को हल्के में नहीं ले सकते. अभी एशिया कप के फाइनल में हमको हराया. पाकिस्तान के साथ के गेम की कभी कोई गारंटी नहीं होती, बिकॉज इट्स अबाउट द ओकेजन. इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान. Australia is the best team in the world. And New Zealand, probably with England, Australia and India, is that 4th team which has those power hitters. They have experience. Their bowling lineup is excellent. And they have those many all-rounders where you can change the match anytime you want. So, tension.
Who are the top 4?
Yeah, just to confirm, format भी इतना dangerous है. 5-5 है दोनों ग्रुप में, उसमें से सिर्फ 2 सिलेक्ट होंगे.
Correct.
To go into the next stage, which is straight away semi-finals. So हमको यहाँ से qualify होना है. मेरे हिसाब से, this is more me hoping also, it should be India, New Zealand. I want Australia out.
Guys, wanting is another thing. But let me just give you a picture of the team that he's going against. पहला इंग्लैंड जीता, उसके बाद हैट्रिक मारा ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने, बीच में एक वेस्ट इंडीज आ गया, फिर हैट्रिक मारा, और तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया को आउट कर रहा है.
मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया को इसलिए आउट कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरे हिसाब से
उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम है.
लॉ ऑफ एवरेजेस,
ऐसी भी उम्मीद नहीं होनी चाहिए भाई.
लॉ ऑफ एवरेजेस के हिसाब से बस हो गया भाई उनका. मेरे को आई टोल्ड यू ना, दिस इज मोर आउट ऑफ होप
नहीं,
बिकॉज
सही है। नहीं,
बिकॉज
सब-
क्या है मालूम है, अगर वो टॉप 4 में आ गई ना तो सेमीफाइनल में तो वो हारने से रही, फिर वो फाइनल में वापस आके हमको मिलेगी। मुझे
मैंने
वो लोग
तुझसे
नहीं
पूछा कि वो तेरे टॉप 4 कौन
बोल
होंगे
दे।
जो जाएंगे, मैंने ये पूछा तेरी इच्छा क्या है कि टॉप 4।
ठीक है टॉप 4 तो काफी ऑब्वियस ही है, फिर इंडिया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया
हाँ।
और दूसरे तरफ से इंग्लैंड एंड वेस्ट इंडीज, क्योंकि इंग्लैंड को तो मजे करने मिले हैं भाई वहां पे। इंग्लैंड को इतने फ्री लंचेस दे दिए हैं वहां पे दैट इफ इंग्लैंड डजंट क्वालिफाई, आई थिंक इंग्लैंड को क्रिकेट खेलना छोड़ देना चाहिए, इतना उनके लिए, बिकॉज सी दे आर ऑल्सो अ पावर हाउस
Yeah.
इन वुमेन्स क्रिकेट, दे आर अ पावर हाउस हुज वन टूर्नामेंट्स, दे आर अ प्रूवन क्वांटिटी, तो उनको काफी relatively easier draw मिला है, लेकिन will they be able to adjust to those Dubai Sharjah pitches, because as we were talking about पूरा टूर्नामेंट 17 दिन में 18 दिन में पूरा टूर्नामेंट कंप्लीट हो रहा है और हर मैच यही 2 स्टेडियम्स में खेला जा रहा है। सो जैसे जैसे टूर्नामेंट आगे बढ़ेगी ना, द पिचेस आर गोइंग टू टायर, दे आर गोइंग टू, देयर इज गोइंग टू बी वेदरिंग लाइक वेयर एंड टेयर, सो स्पिनर्स और ज्यादा आएंगे, बॉल बैट पे नहीं आएगा, लो स्कोरिंग मैचेस होंगे, तो उसमें कौन सी टीम चलेगी?
अब यश जल्दी से प्लेइंग 11 बता दे, वरना ये पॉडकास्ट जो वो 3 अक्टूबर तक जाएगा। प्लेइंग 11 बता दे भाई।
अरे मेरे हिसाब से मेरा प्लेइंग 11 मैं तेको बताता हूँ। ओके, मोस्ट ऑफ देम पिक देमसेल्व्स। स्मृति मंधाना obviously the vice captain is the opener, Shafali Verma with her. According to me यस्तिका भाटिया का इंजरी कंसर्न भी है ना, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि यस्तिका एंड जेमिमा में से एक ही रह पाएगी टीम में, बिकॉज देख विकेट कीपर ऑलरेडी ऋचा घोष है, सो मुझे ऐसा लगता है 3 पे जेमिमा शुड प्ले, 4 पे हरमनप्रीत कौर हैज बीन प्लेइंग एट नंबर 4 सिंस अ लॉन्ग टाइम, 5 पे ऋचा घोष, 6 पे दीप्ति शर्मा या पूजा वस्त्रकर जो भी, 7 पे पूजा वस्त्रकर, एंड 8 पे आई वुड पुट Sajna Sajeevan, and who's a floater, because she has that ability to hit a 6 from ball 1, and you need another player like that with Richa Ghosh, because just in case she doesn't come good on the day. 8 पे Sajna Sajeevan है, 9 पे it's a coin toss between Shriyanka Patil and Asha Shobna.
Correct.
Asha Shobna is the only wrist spinner in the squad, but I have realized in the previous matches that I've watched, Shriyanka Patil is preferred by the Indian team because
Depending upon her injury
I know,
concerns.
but if she's fit, she plays according to me, because even though she's an off spinner, the kind of release and the kind of disguise she has and the guile she has in her off spin is phenomenal. And हमने सबने देखा WPL फाइनल में भी क्या हुआ, टू टेक 4 विकेट्स ऑन अ फाइनल, शी इज अ सुपरस्टार. ओके, 9 नंबर पे अरुंधति रेड्डी विल प्ले in the beginning of the tournament, but as the tournament progresses, say into the 3rd match or the 4th match that India plays in the group stages, I think Radha Yadav will replace her, because then we'll go for that extra spinning option where Radha Yadav brings a slow left arm spinner that is only again one in the squad that we have, and last position तो सबको ही पता है कि रेणुका सिंह ठाकुर खेलेगी, because when रेणुका सिंह ठाकुर needs a partner in fast bowling, and अगर अरुंधति रेड्डी नहीं है, पूजा वस्त्रकर इज मोर देन केपेबल ऑफ टेकिंग द न्यू बॉल. सो मेरे हिसाब से ये 11 होना चाहिए प्रेफरेबली.
ओके, तो मैं बताती हूँ
तू
मेरा
तेरा
11 प्रीटी सिमिलर, मेरा भी श्रियंका.
बट तेरे वाले में यस्तिका भाटिया खेलेगी ना?
मेरे में यस्तिका नहीं है.
अच्छा.
So I have Smriti, Shefali, Hemlata on number 3 is because that's how India has been going. Harman, Jemmy on number 5 for me. Richa, Deepti, Pooja, Renuka, Radha, and between Shriyanka Patil and Asha Shobna. That's my playing 11.
करेक्ट.
And by the way, India would make choices according to a day game or an evening game. As you
100%.
said, getting into deeper into the tournament, India would make changes.
मेरे को बस ये लग रहा है, अभी देख तूने हेमलता को रखा, मैंने सजना सजीवन को रखा, मेरे को मतलब चॉइस सिर्फ ये होगा, व्हाट डू दे थिंक दे वांट टू स्ट्रेंथन मोर, देयर टॉप ऑर्डर और देयर हिटिंग पावर एट द बॉटम. आई फील टॉप ऑर्डर ऑलरेडी इतना फॉर्म में है, जैसा तूने बोला, ऑल ऑफ देम आर वर्किंग सो वेल एंड दीज आर ऑल एक्सपीरियंस प्लेयर्स. मुझे चाहिए वो एक्स फैक्टर जो सजना सजीवन आते ही 6 मार सकती है ना, वो चाहिए मुझे. So that was my preference.
Let's see. It is looking like a well-oiled machine. The big question as we say bye on this podcast is India winning the World Cup, Yash?
India will win if these things work out. मेरे को, and this is less hope, and I'm just talking about like technical stuff. If these people fire, it's a good enough team to beat anybody. मेरे को बस ये चाहिए कि अगर इंडिया वर्ल्ड कप जीते, okay, their hard work pays off, make them feel special. कम ऑन टू मरीन ड्राइव. वो जो ऐसे कीड़े मकोड़ों वाली भीड़ थी ना जो ड्रोन शॉट में दिख रहा था, अगर ये लोग वर्ल्ड कप जीतते हैं तो इनको भी वो ही दर्जा दो, वो रिस्पेक्ट दो. मैं तो जाऊंगा भाई, मैं जाके डांस करूंगा वहां पे, मैं जाऊंगा स्टेडियम के अंदर अगर ये लोग विक्ट्री परेड करेंगे, बिकॉज it is about what kind of winning culture that they bought, and now finally when it is going to give that result na, give them the recognition they deserve. तो मजा है भाई, अगर ये लोग ट्रॉफी ले आए ना, इट विल बी इनसेन. एंड जैसा तूने बोला, नॉट जस्ट फॉर वुमेन्स क्रिकेट, फॉर ऑल ऑफ वुमेन्स स्पोर्ट इन इंडिया, मतलब प्लीज ले आओ भाई.
Well, for me, the color of the ICC Women's T20 World Cup 2024 is blue.
Woo! तूने बोल दिया तो क्या ही हो सकता है. गाइस, तुम लोग को समझ में आ रहा है ना, ऐसे ही नहीं लाए हम लोग रिद्धिमा को यहाँ पे. वो जो बिहाइंड द सीन्स वाले छोटी छोटी चीजें जो हमको बता रही है, लाइक वी लुक एट, oh, Jemima Rodriguez, she's just a gun player for us. But when she adds those little things that she's observed about their personalities, that's why we love you, Rids. And I'm so glad you came here. And
Thank you.
this was less of a podcast or a chat. It was more like just enjoying with you, yaar. And I'm so happy, like after 17 years, for the first time, you and I on
Beyond Marine,
Marine,
we're talking cricket.
on a show in front of the camera together. The last time we performed together in any way
Was a dance.
was a dance on the freshers party. So I'm glad life has come full circle. And guys, please जैसे हम लोग वुमेन्स क्रिकेट के लिए अटेंशन मांग रहे हैं, वुमेन्स क्रिकेट के पॉडकास्ट को भी तो अटेंशन मिलना चाहिए. दैट इज द आयरनी. सो देखो, इंटरैक्ट करो, कमेंट करो, and tell us what you liked, tell us your views, maybe your prediction of the 11, and like, share and subscribe, and keep watching, and we'll make sure Riddhima comes back here. And love you guys, and may India win the World Cup.